Intentions govern this reality, and you can use intention setting to consciously create your entire reality or consciously create certain parts of your day. It's all up to you because intentions are super powerful. And the problem with intentions is that everyone is talking about setting intentions and having intentions and creating intentions, but do you actually know what is an intention? Because I feel like so many people get confused by the term intention. And it used to be me in the beginning, because what is even an intention? So don't worry, because we're gonna decipher what is an intention and how to set powerful intentions so you can use this magical manifestation tool, conscious creation tool to boost up your manifestation and really just create for yourself a harmonious reality or harmonious segments every day, wherever you fancy. So in order to set an intention, you actually have to be aware what is an intention. So an intention is a statement, usually in the present tense, a strong statement of your wish, of the wish you want to be fulfilled. So it's not necessarily like affirmation, because affirmations are like more about reprogramming your subconscious mind and just like really prompting yourself for a certain type of reality. It's more about convincing yourself and your subconscious mind and your emotional body that you're experiencing a certain type of reality. And on the other hand, intentions are more about deliberately creating in the present moment. So if you want something, you just set an intention and usually you get it, because it's like a magical tool to deliberately create certain parts of your reality. And some intentions work very quickly, whereas other intentions, it takes some time for them to materialize. But this is just a very peculiar and magical thing about setting an intention, because usually when you set an intention, this intention like really manifests so fast without you even like doing a certain manifestation technique to just like achieve the result of its intention. It's just that's how powerful it is when you use your power that you have of your subconscious mind, of your reality. When you command your reality, it's like you're the direct commander of your reality and just set this intention. So you can use an intention to consciously create a part of your day or consciously create certain aspects of your reality. And what I like to do is something called segment intending. And it has a lot to do with just like consciously creating certain parts of the day. So for example, when you wake up in the morning, like the first thing you can say to yourself, like in your mind, while you're still lying in your bed, is something like, my intention is to have the most wonderful, happy, amazing day. And just like put some power and willingness into this intention and just watch how it manifests, because this really is the essence of the intentions. These are just like this little commands that just like command your reality, and it's almost like you see this glitch in the matrix and you are using it to your advantage. You're using this to consciously create certain aspects of your reality. It's just like truly magical. So you can use this type of segment intending before anything you do, really. Like you want to have a nice workout session, you can say in your mind out loud, my intention is to have a very productive workout session. Or you feel like you're being snowed under with your work, you can say, my intention is to have more time for relaxation, and I want this time to come to me in a positive way, or something like that. You can just really prompt your reality to be the reflection of your wishes. And this is so magical about intentions. And of course, you can use intention setting for much bigger purposes. You can set an intention of the thing you want to manifest, and then this intention is going to cooperate with any manifestation technique you're doing to achieve this thing. So you can also set an intention for achieving this thing. And again, you can just like say it in your mind or say it out loud. And I feel like the most important part with intention is you don't ever repeat your intention. Like you just set your intention once. You said it once and you forget it. Basically, it's just an intention. It's not an information. It's not something you have to repeat over and over again. It's just more about this clarity of mind. So you have to be very peaceful and very concentrated when you're setting this intention, because you want to deliver this clear message to the universe. And this is like an energetic message. So you really have to be focused and you really have to put some positive energy into it, because the higher your energy and the more positive your energy, the faster your manifestation work, the faster your intentions work. It's just like energy is always the base of everything when it comes to manifestation, because we live in an energetic universe. So if you have a particular manifestation, set an intention for this manifestation, and again, stick to your manifestation technique, stick to your affirmations, stick to your normal manifesting routine, and of course assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, which is like the most important thing, but boost this manifestation with intention. However, if you don't want to use intention for like your big manifestations, then I just highly recommend you to use the segment intending, because it works like magic and it can really save you like so much time, and it's so much fun because these are such little things, with segment intending. You really set those intentions before each tiny part of your day, but it brings you so much joy because you actually witness that it works. And the reason it works so fast because these are such small things, so you don't create much resistance because you don't care whether it actually happens or not. And because you don't care, and because you are this like clear channel of like whatever, I don't care, so it comes so fast. So try segment intending, because it really is such a powerful tool to have more control over your reality and really have much more fun in life. Like whatever you want, you can get it in your day by using segment intending. It's very magical. Okay, so now let me explain to you why intentions actually work. Because yes, I can tell you set an intention and it will work, but you're probably wondering like, what is she talking about? Why would such a simple statement actually work and have any kind of effect in my reality? And the reason is, as I've mentioned, we live in an energetic universe. We live in this infinite quantum field of potential. So it's quantum physics, really. And in this quantum field of infinite potential, there are infinite possibilities, and there is actually an infinite number of parallel realities. And all of these parallel realities are happening at the same time. And you actually shift between these realities. You shift from one reality to another, but these shifts are so subtle that usually you just don't recognize it unless you do like a massive quantum jump and you jump into your desired reality and suddenly you're like, wow, I'm here, what happened? Which is actually also, it's possible. This is what we call quantum shifting, quantum jumping in manifestation. But again, we have this infinite field, and in this infinite field, every possibility already exists in the present moment. So when you set an intention, what you're actually doing is choosing one particular possibility, one particular reality from the infinite quantum field when there are infinite parallel realities. So it's like you don't allow these realities to happen to you. You don't shift from them unconsciously based on your dominant vibration, your dominant energetic state in that given moment. Instead, you consciously choose one reality, one particular reality you want to experience, and you align with this reality. So this is really the science behind the intention setting. It's always about energy. Everything in the universe is about energy. Every manifestation is always about energy. But really, it's when you start to understand the quantum nature of this reality, you really realize how powerful you are, because you are this energetic being and everything around you is energy, and you actually have the power to mold this energy however you want. That's how powerful you are. So use intention setting. Use intention setting to create a harmonious day for yourself. Create a certain aspect of your day, or use intention setting to boost your manifestation power. But use intentions, because whenever you set an intention, you choose one possibility. You are deliberately creating your future whenever you set an intention. And you know what? The fun part is that you're setting intentions sometimes without even being aware of it. And these are usually negative intentions. So pay attention to your habitual thinking patterns. And instead of hoping for something to happen or wondering what will happen, set an intention and consciously create every single aspect of your day because you have this power. And again, it's not about being so focused on control that you don't allow any like spontaneous things to happen in your reality. No, no, no. Like you don't have to set an intention before every single thing you do in your day. No, it's more about like if you prefer something to happen a certain way, then you can set an intention. But please don't get attached to the belief that you have to set an intention before every single thing you do in a day because that won't serve you. Remember that your energy is always the most important thing, and if you maintain a high vibration and high frequency, then you don't really have to even worry about like intention setting if you don't want to do this because your positive energy will always affect your reality in a positive way. But if you want a certain outcome, then don't be afraid of setting an intention. But at the same time, don't freak out when it comes to intentions. Like, it's just about balance. I feel like everything is always about balance, whether it's using manifestations techniques or visualizing or anything you do, it's always about balance. It's always about having fun. So I hope this was helpful. I hope that you will give intentions a chance and try it for yourself because it really works. So try it for yourself. And if it resonates with you in any way, please give it a big thumbs up. And thank you for listening.